Hi, as I said on my last video that we're going to be taking on this plot behind us. So just going to start by talking about plans for that and how we're going to go about it. So the overall plan for this area is, in terms of plan, if I come up to the top corner, so that is down in this bottom section and running all the way along the end bit there, is we're going to have about 3 or 4 beds, and then over to this part here where the good soil, this is where we think the good soil is going to be underneath that sheet because it's been on there for about a year. This other black sheeting that's down here I put down when I cleared all the weeds about a month and a half ago. So it's not going to have done perfectly clear, but it'll have at least kept them down so when we come to rotivate it. So the idea is that there, more beds. Down in the bottom corner where that massive pile of weeds is we put an application to put a polytunnel in there, and then we've also got where that bag is there, we're going to put a greenhouse in there. So so beds along this side and down that side, polytunnel, greenhouse, leaving a little space there for the potato buckets, which at the moment every year clutter up the fruit cage. So that is the plan, and first job is going to be is to just roll this sheet back so we can get to some of the good soil and get a 2 metre strip down there, so we can start putting membrane down, put some bark on top, get it all level before we do that. So I'm going to try and dig and rotivate over. It's just going to skim the top off really, because all that doesn't really need to be clear. All that soil's going to be under membrane, and then when we come to actually put the beds on top, we'll then cut the membrane out, and then we'll do some proper prep of the soil that's right underneath the beds. So that'll be the first job. So I will go and get on with that, and join me again when we've made a bit more progress.